Good morning, good morning. So today is Saturday. Of course, today is beauty day. Beauty day. Beauty day. Do my face, but you guys, I got one thing exciting in, and this is my Gleamin. Oh, she gleaming. Oh, she gleaming. Oh, she gleaming. I got it and I'm excited. People said that they could see a difference in their skin after the first use, and I will take you guys along with me on that. A couple things, okay? So of course we're gonna wash our face. And so I want to steam my face a little bit for several different reasons. To open up my pores, and also because I am sick, I kind of want that humidity in my throat a little bit. But let's unbox this together. So we've all heard of the company Gleamin by now. It's advertised in a lot of different places. They even sell it on Amazon for $41.99. You can buy it off of the company's personal website for $39.99. And it's the vitamin C clay mask. It's supposed to be turmeric in here. So I'm gonna let you guys see that. It says, achieve an instant bare face glow with the Gleamin vitamin C clay mask. This transformative blend of superfood ingredients helps even out skin tone and fade dark marks. The result is dewy, radiant skin that brings out the best in you. So it says how to use after cleansing. Use the brush provided to apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Allow 10 minutes for the mask to fully dry. Gently rinse with warm water and pat dry with a soft, clean towel. It's glow time. So it says Gleamin vitamin C clay mask is with turmeric and aloe vera. Instantly enhanced skin for luminous bare glow, face glow. Stain free and formulated to work with all skin types. It's supposed to be vegan and cruelty free. I'll read you guys the ingredients. Kaolin Australian clay, aloe vera leaf juice, castor oil, saccharide, isomerate, aqua, water, you guys. Citric acid, sodium citrate, betaine, almond oil, grapeseed oil, glycerol, crappolate, glycerol, undecyllinate, glycerol stearate, citrate, yellow Australian clay, turmeric powder, turmeric extract, kale extract, desert lime extract, cockadoo plum extract, finger lime extract, bergamot essential oil, jasmine essential oil, lang lang essential oil, vitamin E, natural, and vitamin B5, and P, arsenic acid. And it says certified ingredients, certified organic ingredients. Yeah. So I'm very interested in this mask. So let's open it together. What does that say? What does it say? It's glow time. I was like, calm. Silly rabbits. So this is the brush. And I'm gonna open this with you guys. And this is actually very beautiful to me. I like colors and presentation, so if it looks pretty, you can pretty much almost give it about anything. So this is it. It's heavy. Beauty day, beauty day. Get ready for beauty day, beauty day. for the pain. This stuff is painless, so I'm just being silly. Ow, poor. Ow, poor. Clean your pores. Eat the steam. Eat the steam. You thought I wasn't gonna let you watch the process with me? No, girl, come on in. We're gonna do it together, okay? So remember, a lot of people were saying that they seen results after the first use. So you're with me. See my face. See my face. And we're gonna see if we can see it together, okay? It's actually good lighting in my bathroom. Oh, this is the part. Okay, let's take it off. I'm assuming that because it's not a lot, that you don't need as much, you know? So we're just gonna spread that over our face. And I also let you guys know too, if I feel like you definitely should use more. The only thing that scares me about it being so small is that you'll need to buy a lot. You know what I mean? Like, you'll be buying often. And I'm all for something that works and you don't have to buy every month. It smells good. It's tingling because my pores are open. Here we go. In fact, let me get that up close. I feel tingles, which honestly I'm all for. I love when you can feel your mask. What do you think? Do you think I used too much? I don't know, because I love a thick mask. This is very thin. Like, what do I do? So I'm gonna let it dry for 2 minutes, and I'll be back with you ladies, okay? Wash my brush out. I'm back! So it has been 12 minutes. The mask is completely dry. And that was powdery. I got in my eye and it looks because it's dry, of course. So now, ladies, we're gonna wash it off. I've seen people use their hands, but that's like so fake to me. It's fake. We're gonna put some warm water in here and we're gonna wipe it off with the towel. And we're gonna see if we can see a difference on our first try, okay? So this will be like an initial review. Let's do it. And I think they said to leave it on for 10 minutes because I don't know if you guys have ever just used turmeric on your face, but turmeric can kind of dye your skin a little bit orange. So I'm assuming that's why it says to leave it on for 10 minutes. But you know me, you know I'll find out if I leave it on longer. Now remind you, this is the first time using it, right? So I haven't used this product a lot of times on my skin, and I'm sure if anything that you do with continuous use gets results, right? So if you're really, honestly, I feel like in my personal opinion, if you're genuinely expecting something on the first couple of uses, you have unrealistic expectations. You have to use the product for at least a month to start seeing results. And y'all cook anything. I love a good mask. If you know me, you know I love a good old mask. Now I love me a mask. Now we're just gonna cleanse out the skin. Skin is not dry. Maybe I should dry it. My personal opinion, I think my skin looks the same, which is okay. But I'm excited to see the glow that people would tell me I have with further use. If you haven't got your Gleamin, get your Gleamin, ladies. Okay, get your Gleamin. Get your Gleamin. Get your Gleamin. Okay, that's all I have to say. Get your Gleamin.